If you're comparing Teamgate versus Podio CRM to find out which is best for project management features, this video is for you. By the end, you'll know exactly which one fits your needs, or if there's an even better alternative you haven't considered. And trust me, you'll want to stick around for that. First up, Teamgate markets itself as a sales CRM with built-in project management tools. It's clean, easy to navigate, and great for keeping sales-focused projects on track. But here's the issue, it lacks deep customization. You get task management, pipelines, and basic automation, but if your workflow is complex, you'll hit limits fast. Now, Podio CRM takes a different approach. It's a highly customizable project management CRM with workspace apps, workflow automation, and integrations. Sounds great, right? Well, customization is a double-edged sword. Setting up Podio can be frustrating, and if you're not tech-savvy, you'll spend more time configuring than managing projects. Next thing, asterisk collaboration. Teamgate keeps things simple. You assign tasks, set deadlines, and track progress. But it's missing real-time collaboration tools. No built-in chat or deep team communication features, which means you'll rely on third-party apps. Podio, on the other hand, integrates chat, file sharing, and structured workspaces directly into your projects. This makes teamwork smoother, but there's a catch. Without careful setup, Podio can feel cluttered, and onboarding new team members isn't intuitive. The fourth thing, asterisk automation. Podio's workflow automation is powerful if you take the time to set it up. You can trigger actions based on conditions, automate tasks, and create custom workflows. But again, that learning curve is steep. Teamgate, while more user-friendly, doesn't have the same level of automation. You get simple reminders and pipeline tracking, but if you want real process automation, it's limited. Final thing, asterisk pricing. Teamgate keeps it straightforward with tiered plans, and for sales teams, it's cost-effective. Podio offers a free version, but for real project management features, you'll need a premium plan, which can get pricey fast, especially if you scale up. So, which is best? If you want ease of use and a CRM-first approach, Teamgate is the better option. If you need deep customization and advanced automation, Podio wins, but only if you're willing to invest the time to set it up properly. But after testing all of these, I found a better alternative for project management that balances ease of use, automation, and scalability. If you want the best tool for managing projects efficiently, check out the free trial in the first link in the description. It's the best deal with exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. Try it now and see the difference.